for you, and very shortly he'll ignite the 2 Ltr Jet engines by the side of the Airshow. And there they go! We will now enjoy that hustle. Richard is the next ex-Royal Tornado pilot and a commercial Boeing 767 pilot, the former British Aerobatic Association competitor and one of Europe's most dynamic airshow performers. Based up in Gloucestershire, Southampton Airport, C5 flies 2 very highly modified fit special aircraft, one of which you may remember here from previous years, with that wonderful red and white colouring. This one, the world's only jet fit. Got an entire inventory of unlimited manoeuvres, tumbles, fixed rolls, IG, negative G, 0 rocks, and divine. There we go. Look at just see the agility of this airplane. It is fantastic. Its history, however, goes right back to the 1940s, and that's when a young Curtis Pitts decided to try and create an aircraft that was going to be just a wow.